Angiyafisa ngithi ukunginikeza reason as to why umuntu ophethe isiteshi lapha must not be fired. That's number one. I'm just asking you why that guy who's the leader or Osema should not be fired. Just two reasons. Because one, amaphoyisa mina ngihleze ngiwabona mina ngibuye ebusuku mina ngibona yonke imikhuba egilwa amaphoyisa mina ngingakwazi ukuthi ngizotshela abantu lento namhlanje sekuze kwavela wena baba Mkhwanazi ngakhulumile nawe ngomunye unyaka lapha kukhona babucele losigqoko akwenzeka ngalutho ngaleso sikhathi kunamakotishi emphakathini yethu kunamakotishi okuyiwona alokhu zigebengu abanikazi bamakotishi ababavethi abantu ababaqashisayo baqashisa igebengu isigebengu sivele sibeke umbhede la sibhaka imoto ngaphandle sihambe siyobamba inkunzi sibambe inkunzi sibaleke vele kunombhede lapha akwaziwa lokuthi uthi ubani uhlalaphi as long as ekhokha irent kuphela uma stand uhappy ngalokho then thina we must suffer thina esihlala siwomakhelwane nalapho. Number two, kuney'tolo zalabantu bokufika babu premium lento ishoyo yokuthi iy'tolo upresident wethu uyakhuluma but akenzi siyakwazi iy'tolo lezo khuluma ngazo ukuthi zirejistiwe asabe Mkhwanazi ngiyokutshengisa into yokuthi ayirejistiwe afuna sikhulume ngetiyolo ayirejistiwe iy'tolo kusebenza abafana babo-Eritrea ababo-Ethiopia abano-13 years abayiphathi ye-human trafficking. Lithule nina niyakwazi khona lokho asisimeli amaphoyisa baba Mkhwanazi eMjebheni atulusa imoto kanje ayokwenza lento elibiza ithi extortion ayokwenza extortion amaphoyisa asemjebheni imoto yakhona mina nginayo inamba yayo alibona iphoyisa ithe mali ngibona ukuthi ngiyanishuta lenze njani lahlela abaleka amaphoyisa ngitshengise Mkhwanazi zihambe nawe ngiyokutshengisa lapho enza khona amaphoyisa lokuthi
Ascolta, put 1 minute.
One, amaphoyisa asemjebheni, they are corrupt to the core. We must address that. Umuntu ophethe amaphoyisa asemjebheni must be fired as like yesterday.